Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at codominance. But specifically we want codominance that does not include blood crosses because they have a slightly different rule set. So we're looking at codominance and how codominance kind of differs from our previous problems. In codominance, the two options or alleles that we're dealing with, the two different characteristics, are actually equal. So they have the same strength. And therefore, they will both show up in the heterozygous state. So that means that we're going to keep both of those things. Okay. So when we say they both show up, let's say I have D is going to stand for white. And just like before, this could be written as a single capital letter for the key. And then E stands for black. So whereas with incomplete dominance, they blended and they would have made a new color, here when we get the heterozygous, we physically see both black and white. So you're going to see both of the two conditions in the blend, in the mix, in the heterozygous. Okay. So if we have our cross, and in our cross, the parents that we were given, we have black and white organisms. Okay, so we do our Punnett square just like we always do our Punnett square. We haven't changed the process. Okay. And we're going to look at our genotypes from the offspring just like we always do. So let's see, we have 1 capital D, that would be 25%. And we have 2 DE, that would be 50%. And then we have 1 E, so that's another 25%. So still, we're doing the exact same thing. So this brings us to the phenotypes. And just like with our incomplete dominance, the phenotypes is where we see the difference. Because on this one, we're going to interpret. So DD, we've got 25%. And we said that DD was white. So we've used our DD. And then we're going to do our DE, and we have 2 of those, so that would be 50%. 50%, and that's going to be black and white. Because we see both characteristics. And then our other 25%, our EE, that'll be another 25%, and those will be black. So once again, the difference is totally within how do you interpret the information. So that's how you would do a basic codominance problem.